attendance, you need to go to student attendance, then click on new, select class, section, academic year, date. I'm taking today date, load students. Okay, by default present will come automatically. P means present, A means absent, H means half day, E means exempted. Exempted means if he's going somewhere or he's in some special class, something like that, like sports, something like that. Then if you want to exempted him but you want to consider it as a present, you can say exempted. Then click on remarks. If you want to provide remarks, you provide the remarks. After that, you can save it. If this in time, out time is related to biometric, you don't think about it. It will come automatically if you integrate biometric. After that, you can see who are all present, who are all absent.